Hey, hello again. It's Typical Gamer. Now we'll be focusing on Batman. I'm doing 3 videos for that one. This one. Gotham City.
Long night, Jim. Joker invades City Hall and holds the mayor hostage, leaving it to me to juggle SWAT teams, the media, and you. Yeah, it's been a hell of a night. Hopefully the last one we'll ever have with him.
Yeah, right.